Hey everyone, it's Sheila here. I just wanted to give you a quick run through on how to customize your own recipes. So we'll go into the recipe index here. Let's see, what shall we make? How about, it's cold out, so we'll make some soup. We tend to love smooth soups here. And we'll scroll down, I'll show you quickly how to do this. You can choose your oil, your aromatics. Let's see, we'll do a little potato and some broccoli. We're going to skip the greens, we've got some greens already. And a little bit of chives, let's say. Zing, little cayenne, let's say. A lot of people have cayenne. And cream, let's do cashew cream. We'll do cheese. And then before we create the recipe, I want to go down with directions. You can actually highlight where you where you are in the recipe. Here's some technique photos. And some inspirations, and then we'll go up. We'll create the recipe. We'll type in broccoli cheddar soup. Oops. This is hard to do. Alright. Tegan's favorite. And if I had a new photo, drag and drop. And there we are, broccoli cheddar soup in our recipe box. And we go down, all of the items we chose are there, and directions are there, everything's still there. All right, let's get cooking.